What's up, my YouTube people? Today we're doing a 2008 Pontiac G6, replacing, walk around the front here, the transmission shifter. You look down. Hold on 1 second here. So, if you look down, right where I'm shining my light here, you can see this part right here came from AutoZone. The shifter itself, right here on this piece, let me see if I can point down with my magnet. Okay, right here where I'm pointing, that piece broke off. That appears to be a 15 millimeter or 17 millimeter nut. I took the 2 screws off of the brake reservoir, used the tie down to move this out of the way to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to replace these clips and hopefully get this bad boy to start. There was an issue with a transmission shifter not working and the car not turning over. So let me put this part on and see what happens.